This is the NEX7 with the kit with the Sigma 19 nm, 19 millimeters, and today I want to show you about the issue that everyone face with their lens is because the focus problem. It is not the lens problem. It is not the camera body problem. It is the Sony design issue that causes the focus defects. And here I have my kit lens, 80 to 55 millimeters. This is original from Sony. What causes the problem is every time when I trying to use the lens for a while, as you can see over here, I'm trying to focus. Alright, no issue, right? And as you can see here, if I'm trying to move my lens, alright, you can see the F become minus minus. Is because it lost contact with the camera body. How is this going to happen? It's because the contact itself with the body camera and also with the lens is not fully attached. So this is the camera lock. So when the lens contact with the lock and you twist a little bit, it will fully lock itself. And this over here, this is the camera lock. As you can see, this is not a circle. This is like a oval shape, and the lock itself is circle. So this is the reason why it cannot fully lock by the lens, by the camera body. And every time you push a little bit, it will become bigger. It will bigger if you're trying to move the camera body or the lens itself. I will show you one more time. Okay, unfocus also, because I'm moving the lens. Although it is fully attached, it is still wiggle a little bit every time I'm use the lens. So bear in mind, every time you want to use the lens, just make sure you don't move that much. If it lost contact like this, F minus minus, just try to readjust a little bit. It will become normal. So okay, don't have problem, no problem at all. Okay, this is not the stuck mechanism happen in the camera, in the lens itself. So I'm going to show you this kit lens as well. The reason why it happens a lot to this 50 millimeter to the 80 to 50 millimeters itself is because it has zoom. Every time I twist, I'm trying to zoom, inevitably it will move it like a little bit. It will move a little bit from the to the lens. So to make it no issue, you just try to readjust itself every time it's going to zoom. So I can say it doesn't have any issue just need to bear in mind to be careful every time you use this camera itself. This is not only the NEX7, this also happened to NEX6. You can see over here, this is F minus. So just try to readjust a little bit. Okay, it's back to normal now. So to be careful every time you just push a little bit harder, twist a little bit, it will back to normal. Yeah. Okay, I didn't do anything. Just trying to make it back to, yeah. It is the design defects by Sony. You screw up, Sony. You screw up. It happens to all the lens, all the camera. I'm not sure about the full frame series, S7 series, but it happens to like S6300, S6000, A5100, NEX6, NEX7, and NEX3 as well. So bear in mind, this is not the problem from the lens, this is not the problem from the camera body. It's design defects by Sony, right? By Sony, you screw up. You didn't provide any technical assistance on the web. You screw up.